everyone, start off by adding this face to the front. Now add legs in the front and connect the two. After this, you may also draw the long tail at the back, add the eyes, and then draw the feet, the rest of it, of this dinosaur. Draw the eyes and then color it in as you please. Add a large smile as well as the nostrils. Add the back of the dinosaur and then add the feet and the toes as well. Add polka dots all throughout and color it in yellow and orange. Next, start off by drawing this shape to begin with, an opposite facing 7. Add a 3 beside it and then 2 2s for the feet. Connect the 2 at the bottom, add eyes, and then draw a smiley face and then add teeth to it as well. Add the little arms of this dinosaur and then draw on the back. Once you're done with this, add polka dots all throughout and then color it in any color that you please. We have also added a red heart on the front. Start off by drawing the circular shape. On top of this, add the ears to it. Draw a straight line at the bottom and then draw the feet to it as well. Add the markings for the toes and then add a fluffy tail and legs at the back. Afterwards, draw on the eyes and color it in. Add a cute little snout along with a cute smile to it as well. Once you're done with this, add a collar with a bell to it. Taking a blue marker, begin to color it in. Next, we'll start off by drawing this ovular shape. Add 2 ears on either side. Now, draw on the rest of the body. We have drawn the feet and then afterwards draw on the body as well. Add the back portion of this fluffy hair as well and then afterwards add the eyes, 2 nostrils and then begin to make the stripes on the zebra. You're making black pointed stripes all throughout and then color it in. Add a little heart at the top as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape and then afterwards add a 6 underneath it along with a 1. Now, make these oval shapes in order to make the feet. Add these ears at the top. Afterwards, add the eyes, a cute little nose and then draw on the whiskers on either side along with a smile. Add a little tail at the back as well. Now, using a marker, begin to color it in the colors that you need. Now, do this all throughout. Next, we'll start off by drawing this ovular shape. Add a triangular shape underneath it and then add these opposite V shapes on the top. Afterwards, add the arms on either end of it and then make circular shapes for the eyes. Add these little dots in the middle and then add the mouth to it as well. Once you are done with this, add the tail at the back and then add this little food object in the front to make it a fish. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape, add the ears to it, add the eyes in the front as such, and then connect the two. After this, add a cute little snout, and then add a mouth to it as well. Make it a grumpy little dog. After this, add the collar to it, and then add the bell as well. Draw on the rest of the body should you please to. Color this in. Start off by drawing this curved shape. Afterwards, add the bottom of it as well. However, do not join it just yet. Add the fin in the side and then add a line to it in the middle. Now at the back, add the back fin to it as well. Add the eye in the front and then add the bottom portion of this whale's body. Now make it look like water is spouting out from the hole on the whale's body as such. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape and then afterwards draw this ovular shape underneath it as well. Take the arms and legs out of it and then draw the stomach. Now add the ears to it as well. Add large eyes as such. Add on the inside of the eyes as well. Add a cute snout to it and then add a smile to it as well. Now make a bamboo shoot and then afterwards add lines to it. Add leaves on either end of it. Next, we'll start off by drawing a circular shape and then afterwards add these little swirls on either side of it. Add the legs at the bottom as well and then afterwards add the ears at the top. Now add these little circular shapes to it. Add this ovular shape at the bottom. Add a little snout to it and then add the mouth to it as well. Now add a heart in the middle and color it in once you're done. Thank you for watching.